what is it going to do? It's going to die just like your hair. Hey KiHiVE, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video because I know you're interested in what I have to say today. If you haven't done so already, I'm going to need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to become part of KiHiVE. And hello to my subscribers. Thank you so much for joining, and let's get right into today's video. So today we're going to be talking about 6 things I've learned in the 6 years that I've been natural. Yes, I've been natural for 6 years and I can't believe that it's been this long. I honestly kind of just lost track of time. So let's get right into it. Right now my hair just did some twists that I did. Freshly washed hair. They are shrunken like crazy. Like, yeah, my hair shrinks a lot. Number 1. Protective styles aren't a necessity. Now those people are going to be like, what? I don't have a protective style? You don't have a protective style to have healthy hair or long hair. It does help because it does reduce breakage. I do them a lot just because I don't want to mess with my hair all the time. I wear my hair out and like twist outs and things. It seems to grow just as well. It's just you just want to make sure that your ends are always moisturized and they're not rubbing up against your collar or your shirt, because the longer your hair gets, the more it rubs up against, you know, your shirts and things. Protective styles aren't like a, oh, I have to protective style. It's just if you want to, you can. I've seen people grow their hair without protective styling. It just helps aid in length retention. And protective styles don't mean you have to wear extensions like braids and wigs. You can, this is right here, these twists are protective styles, so don't think you have to go out and buy a wig or wear extensions. But you can definitely do it with your own hair if you're comfortable. Number 2, low manipulation is key. Flexi rod sets, perm rod sets, twist outs, braid outs, anything where you don't have your hands in your hair all the time, manipulating it and changing it up and retwisting it. For me, when I do my twist outs, it stays out and I retwist it maybe once during the week and that's it. I don't twist my hair up every night. I just kind of put it in 4 sections, put the bonnet on and go to bed and fluff it up in the morning. Once it gets old and crusty, I put it up in a puff and then keep it moving until I feel like retwisting it or washing it. But low manipulation is key because again, it just helps keep your hands out your hair, help you retain length, and also just helps keep that moisture in as well. Number 3, no moisture equals no growth. So just think about it. If your hair, if you have a plant outside, you're not watering that plant, what is it going to do? It's going to die just like your hair. If you don't moisturize your hair is going to get dry, it's going to break, it's going to stay the same length because it's not getting moisture. And if you don't get moisture in your hair, the hair is not going to retain the length. Your hair is always growing, so I'm not going to say it's not growing. Your hair is not going to retain the length. So again, moisture is key. I have a video on my LCO method and my moisturization method. I'll try to link those up here if possible. Just make sure your hair is always moisturized. I moisturize my hair like 2 to 3 times a week depending on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I'm lazy and I just don't feel like it and my scalp hates me for it. But you know, we get back on track when it's wash day. I'll show you my hair right now. Right now, as you can see, my hair is super moisturized. I use the Uniqurl Supreme Moisture Kit. I'll link that down below. I also have a coupon code for you all to use to save you some points. Because you know, I like for y'all to save your money. You don't have to spend on everything. But this Uniqurl is a really good moisturization, especially for type 4 hair. Number 4, stretch hair equals less breakage. So if you ever watch any of my videos, if you're new, you know, hey, but you will notice that my hair always stretched. You will rarely ever see it shrunken up to my head. It's always in twist. I wash my hair in twist. My hair stays twist during the week or in some type of stretch style. I learned that when my hair is mushed up against my head and I try to wash it like just lean back in the shower and just wash my hair like this. It does not work out well for me. It causes tangles, and then tangles get knotted and I have to pull it apart, and then there's breakage, and it's just too much. So I just keep my hair stretched out. I think my hair just used to be stretched out, because now it just kind of stays stretched whenever, and I don't let it shrink. Shrinking hair can cause breakage because it's stuck to your hair wraps around itself, and then it's like a big ball of tangles, and then try to untangle a knot, and I just rather not. I just prevent it by keeping it stretched. So number 5, the simpler the style, the better. So when I first went natural, I was doing all of these intricate styles. I was doing like flat twists on this side and twist on this side, and updos, and braiding hair, and box braids, and Senegalese twists, and Havana twists. I was doing every single style you could think of, and I would do multiple styles in a week just because I was excited to play in my hair, and that resulted in breakage and less retention, at least for the first like couple of years. Like my hair grew, but I could have retained a lot more length had I not been in my hair all the time. I noticed that my favorite styles are twist outs, braid outs, sexy rods, and perm rod sets. Sometimes twisted curl, flat twist, you know, in there. But I keep it real simple these days. One, because I've been in this natural hair game for, you know, a good little amount of time, so I feel like I've tried every style that I want to try. I might throw in some new ones here and there, but again, I'm old in the natural hair game. I'm old in the natural hair game, and I just rather not do too much. And I noticed that the less I do, the healthier my hair is, the more length I retain. So I just do simple stuff like, you know, these little twist braids, easy stuff. And number 6, health over length. Now I know a lot of people want to grow their hair super long, or at least get it past their shoulders and get it to like their bra strap, or you know, whatever your hair goal is. I've just learned to have a healthy hair, but when it's moisturized, it's not breaking off. You have shrinkage. Shrinkage is good. So if your hair, you're able to pull your hair and it bounces back, especially when it's wet, see, it kind of bounces. You want your hair to have some kind of bounce to it. At least my hair has bounce to it. So if your hair shrinks, you pull it down here, like down here, see, this is my shoulder, and it's past my shoulder, but it shrinks back up. That's good. You want to have that shrinkage, because that means your hair is healthy. If your hair is, you pull your hair and it kind of stays in the same spot, you might have moisture overload. You might need some protein, or lay off the heat. I don't use a lot of heat on my hair, and stay trimmed, nice and trimmed. I'm not afraid to trim my hair or my scalp with scalp massages. And once I started doing healthy hair practices, I found that the length has come with the health of my hair. Of course, right now it doesn't look like I have a lot of length, because one, my hair is twisted, so it's flatter than usual, and then 2, I did it on super wet hair, so yeah. Those are my 6 tips, 6 things that I have learned over the course of my 6-year natural hair journey. Again, my hair has finally started catching some length. Over the last 2.5 years, I've seen the most growth over my journey. So I'm definitely excited to see where my hair will be at this time next year. Super hyped. Let me know some tips that you have learned as you have been natural. I might have missed some things. I might learn some new things. I'm always learning things from you all as well. So I thank you all for that. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe. Share this with all your friends. And I will see you in the next video, you guys. Bye.